Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we shall be talking about substance abuse. Thanks for watching the other videos. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, and thanks especially on the video of child protection. Yeah, the mental health of children, the sexual abuse on children, and the rest. We all have to protect it, to prevent it. Prevention is better than cure. Today we shall be looking at substance abuse. People who are into substance abuse suffer a lot of psychological, emotional, and physical pains. They suffer a lot of emotional pains, a lot of psychological trauma. Well, looking at the society, it is but normal that all of us put our hands together and see how we can help these our loved ones that are into substance abuse. Yeah, if you look at the children, those who are going to school, those who are out of school, majority of the children are taking substances. Yeah, they take a lot of marijuana, a lot of smoking. They get wasted. They drink and get wasted. They even sleep out without knowing because they are controlled by the substances they have taken. Some of them are into alcoholism, and sometimes friends can introduce you to take dangerous things. Like those of us who do not monitor the movement of our children, we just say now our children are very good, they are always at home, they are very calm, our children cannot do this. Have you checked them? Are you going everywhere with them? Some of them are calm like that when they are traumatized by something that happened to them. Maybe some of them are into depression because of the lifestyle, the domestic violence, what is happening at home, or the society, the environment. They are not accepted. They do not feel the love. They feel so rejected, and so they get seek advice from wrong friends who maybe introduce them to this substance abuse. The rate of substance abuse is alarming. There are parents who are not into drunkenness, but their children are. Surprisingly for them, the children who left going to school, went somewhere else, and take some drugs or drinking, and all you hear is that they were caught stealing, they were caught doing this, they were caught in one act or the other. The society is very toxic with a lot of drug abuses everywhere. And it is sad to know that children, even in the primary level, some of them have tested the drugs, but it's just that they have been warned not to talk. I remember an incident where I was talking to the young people about drug abuse. And I said in our environment, even in this our locality, there are so many people, young people who are into drugs. And all of them shouted that, yes, it's true, it's true. And I said, but there are also some of you here that we are fooled by them, that we are tricked maybe to test the drugs. And sometimes you just take it and you go off, you don't even know what happened, then you get up, you start asking what's happening, where am I, and so on. But some of you here took it knowingly and some took it without even knowing. Everybody was silent. Nobody spoke again. That was a clear sign to tell us that even now all the children are in danger. Let's keep them at home and protect them. There is a lot of substance abuse. Children taking marijuana, the rates at which they are taking those drugs is very dangerous, because in the colleges, they have their friends who come and share to them. Yes, they say send somebody to go and buy for them. Yeah, we have interviewed some children, some of them open up to us. So you see, you think that they are in school, but they are there taking substances and bullying teachers and so on. So please, let's try to monitor the life of our children Let's see how we know that they're already taking drugs, but let's not be violent to them. Something pushed them, maybe wrong friends. We can put them together and try to talk to them, advise them, and try to see how we can help them to get out of the drugs instead of becoming so violent again to them, worsening the situation or driving them from home. When you drive them from home, they go and form a gang, either a gang of thieves, or a gang of prostitutes, or a gang of what do I say? They will form a group, maybe to be moving and sexually abusing people or causing atrocities here and there. So there is a lot of substance abuse outside, and children are into it. Let us monitor them, let us counsel them, let us call them back home, let us talk to them one-on-one, let us try to see how we can help them to move out of it. Don't say that your own child is free. You may not know until you get to talk with the child. Thanks for watching. Please help the children. Please share.